Thank you for choosing MSI Prestige Series. If you are going with the flip models, they should also come with the new MSI Nano Pen. Let's take a closer look at what they can do. The MSI Nano Pen, as the name suggested, is a super slim stylus that comes with your Prestige 14 or 16 flip that allows you to jot down notes and ideas intuitively. Unlike traditional styluses that you need to store separately or get accidentally knocked off during packing, the MSI Nano Pen can be stored and charged right within the chassis. This ensures it's always with you and fully charged. It's also the first stylus to support Windows Copilot Press to Talk, so you can summon your assistant with ease. Your MSI Nano Pen should come in a separate compartment of your Prestige laptop. Inside, you'll find the pen, a quick guide, and a spare pen tip. Don't lose it. To store and charge the pen, look under your laptop and you should find a groove. Insert with the pen tip first, then press down on the tail. Make sure the contact pins are facing each other or that the MSI pattern is facing outward. You should also see the latch click back in place. To remove, pull the latch and slightly press down on the pen tip side. The tail should pop right out. With a few tries, you'll be able to do this without flipping the laptop over. Your Nano Pen works out of the box with no additional setup required. You can immediately start writing or drawing in all supported apps, such as Microsoft Whiteboard. By default, the two buttons act as erasers and screen capture, but may vary by application. You can check the battery level indicator by holding your pen to the screen. Under normal circumstances, the pen should last about 1 hour of continuous use with a full charge. Even when fully depleted, just pop it back in during your coffee break. It'll only need 13 seconds of charge to get you 45 minutes of use. If you add the convenience of summoning Copilot from your fingertips, you'll need to pair the pen via Bluetooth. Hold down both buttons for a few seconds and locate it in the Bluetooth menu. Once paired, you'll be able to summon the assistant by holding down the two buttons and speak into the pen to interact with Copilot.
Hey Copilot, summarize this document.
Few things to note. Once paired via Bluetooth, the pen will double as a microphone when active. It won't secretly listen to you since the mic is only on when buttons are held down. However, some applications may default the mic setting to the pen instead. You'll want to switch it back to the laptop microphone. Also, microphone over Bluetooth function may consume more battery life, though it won't turn on unless activated via holding down the buttons. Of course, you could always unpair if the additional functions are not needed. Lastly, remember the extra pen tip that came in the box? In the unlikely event that the pen tip got damaged or worn out, you could simply replace it by pulling it out from the front and chuck the new one back in. That's it. Now you're a stylus pro. Go on and enjoy the ink howl in the palm of your hands.